Okay, let's take a little look at this week's trading. Starting the 16th of December was the Monday. Already up $1,663. Started the week with the euro dollar trade. Lost a little bit of money on that. And then the FTSE, we did several trades in the FTSE. Made a little bit of money in that, and the dollar CAD, and then a nice profitable trade that closed down on the euro yen on the 17th today. So you've got to have a good trading strategy. If you don't have a good trading strategy, then you're not going to survive long term in trading. Not only a good trading strategy, but you've got to manage risk, guys. Having a losing trade does not mean you're a bad trader, you're going to blow your account out. If you have a losing trade and it's a small losing trade relative to the account size that you're using, then if you've got a good trading strategy and a simple trading strategy that you can follow without hesitation or doubt or without losing confidence, then you're going to do all right. So taking a losing trade is perfectly fine as long as it's a small losing trade, as long as you've got a good trading strategy, and also if you've got a strategy that's simple to follow. Because us human beings, we can only take in 2 to 5 bits of information. I think 5 bits of information at once, I don't think anyone can do that. 1, 2 and 3 bits of information at once is probably the max us human beings can do in one go. And especially if we're trading the markets, simplicity is the thing that works long term. You've probably tried loads of different trading indicators and different ways of trading the market, and it's maybe not worked for you because you might have layered on and on and on different variables, different signals on a chart, and it just gets more complicated. You have a losing trade, it just doesn't work, and then you move to something else. For me, I learned very early to keep it simple. Keep it really simple and accept small losing trades. There is no need to panic or to lose confidence if you have a couple of losing trades. And look, I had a couple of losing trades at the start of this week on the 16th, okay, to get me off. But because the strategy is so good that I use and our software is so good, it was only a matter of time until I started moving into profit. And it's only Tuesday, and we've got all day to trade this, rest of the day to trade this Tuesday, and then we've got Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, and this is bound to be up another $5,000 or $6,000 in this particular account. Okay, so have the faith, stick with your strategy if it's a good one, but you got to keep it simple. And the way we keep it simple is what I do here. So the ProTrend system and tracks, I love it when I can do something so simple like this. Okay, is this a red candlestick? Yes, on our ProTrend system and tracks. Yes, it is. That gives me 1 point. If a bigger time frame is red, okay, and I want to short the market to go down, well, that gives me 1 point. Okay, so I want 4 points for the perfect trade, but 2 points is fine. So I get 1 point here, which is red ProTrend system and tracks. Next step is I want to see my entry time frame red. That gives me 2 points. So I've got red daily, red entry time frame. You look at the FTSE yesterday. I could have made so many more winning trades trading the FTSE, shorting it today and yesterday because we had the red for 1 point on the daily time frame. I'm combining 2 time frames. Okay, human beings can only take in 2 to 5 bits of information, as I said at the start of the video. Keep it simple, guys. And then if you want to go down to a smaller time frame, like a 5-minute chart for you guys that like it fast and furious. So reds all the way down, another set of reds, a little set of reds. We're in the doldrums now anyway. You can see ProTrend system tracks is turning white. That basically is telling me there is no volume in this market. So white means no trading. Okay, so that knocks off that point, and I'm doing no trading around here. So keeping it simple, trading that morning move. What I've done, I've put together a video for you that follows on here and just shows you the results of our ProTrend system and track strategy. Just look how profitable it is, guys. Take a little look at the live trading results as I walk through, showing you not only trading the FX market, but US stocks as well, and seeing how many profits you would have had trading our simple ProTrend system and tracks. Simplicity is genius when it comes to trading the markets with our Pro Trend System algorithm here. Let's go through the results of the Pro Trend System in the FX market, and we'll take a little look at some US stocks as well. But just to remind you, a green buy signal from a red is your reason to get long. Okay, so when we get the green buy signal, it means more buyers are stepping in. You want to be buying the market. Okay, so on the dollar yen here, we had a lovely buy signal. It was red, then it went to green. The tracks turned green as well. Let's take a little look at the P&L for these trades. Okay, let's dive into our screens here with our up-to-dated Pro Trend System. You can see that the numbers are moving in real time from the last signal. And so there's no static numbers there. It's because it's a real-time trading system, it's updating the P&L. On the left-hand side here are the major Forex currencies here. And just on the left-hand side below that, we have quite a few NASDAQ 100 individual stocks. Now, the next column is whether it was a short trade or a long trade. So if it says short trend, it means that it's in a trend now. If it's a long trend, it means it's in a trend now. You can see this dollar yen one we just looked at had a green buy signal several days ago, and we're looking at the daily P&L here. So we're using a daily time frame to test what our profits would be. And on the right hand side, not the left, the right hand side here is the P&L. Okay, so if it's green, it's making that amount of pips. If it's red, it's losing that amount of pips. Now, it doesn't actually lose that amount of pips until you get stopped out of the trade. So we have a stop loss that's automatically generated for the Pro Trend System. So if you ever see any numbers that are quite big, it would never get to that area. You'd already been stopped out by then. Okay, but let's look at the dollar yen. And we're going to go up here into the majors. The dollar yen here, since that last signal, it's up 185 pips. Now, when you're trading FX pairs, different FX pairs, currencies here, the decimal point is in a different area. But I've been doing this for a long time. I know exactly how many pips it's making. So this dollar yen one here is making 185 pips since that new green buy signal. Really simple. If you can understand what a green color is and a red color, you can trade this system here. There's no second guessing. It's giving you the clear color signal. Now, if you want to work out how much money this would be for your account, you just multiply 185, multiply that by your position size. So if you're doing £10 a point, you would be up £1,850 in that time period. How long was it? Just about 5 days. So a nice 1,850. The euro dollar here's got in a short trend. It's only up 6 pips. Pound US dollar down 23. Aussie US dollar up 224 pips. Aussie dollar's been in a short trend here for a long time. So 224 pips short profit. Remember, if it's green, it's making that amount of pips. Euro yen is in profit 138 pips. Dollar CAD, lovely green. We've been long that 188 pips. Just multiply it by your position size. If you were doing a pound a point, you're in profit £188. Euro sterling down 26. I'd rather have down 26 and making 188 pips. This is what the secret of trading is all about, guys, really. Losing small, making big. Dollar Swissy has been a long trend, 80 pips. Some other big ones here. Pound yen, 168 pips. Pound Australian dollar up 395 pips. Now, these signals are from the daily chart. Swing trading. You don't have to be at your screens at all. Put the signal on, put the trade on. Well, get the signal, put the trade on, and then manage the trade. Just check it once a day. Pound US dollar, as I said, that's down. Pound New Zealand, look at this, up 235 pips. Multiply that by your position size. That's how much profit you're making. Great for funded accounts, this is, guys. Euro CAD 116. Euro Swissy doing nothing at the moment. You see the Euro Aussie up 253. You can see it changing in real time here. So it's updating live. Euro New Zealand 235. This is how you simplify your trading, guys. You really can do this with the pro trading system. It makes life so much easier. Just follow the system. Nasdaq up here, 1,000 points. Wow, imagine doing that for £5 a point. You would be up £5,000. Apple here up 1,991, which is $19. Okay, so you're up $19. Adobe here up 894 pips or points because you're using a shared dealing account. You've been making $8, which is 894 points in a spread betting account. And looking at the others here, I mean, take your pick really. This is all done right in front of you. There is no manipulation to this whatsoever, and you can see it updating. Now you won't see it updating here in the US stocks because the market isn't open yet. Okay, I'm doing this in the morning London time. This will open and start trading. You'll see this update. Melly here, wow, $128, guys. That's a big move. 1,285 points. What a great move. Netflix, 2,000 points. It's up. Tesla, 1,000 points in a spread betting account. This is $167. What a move. Fantastic in Tesla. Beautiful. All right. So Nvidia up $4.56. Been short Nvidia. That's 456 points in a spread betting account. Meta, $46. Now, let's just change, and I'll show you exactly the time frame. So if we change the time frame here, and the way I'm going to do that right in front of you, I'm just going to highlight these FX pairs here. Then I'm going to turn over the time frame. So I'm going to put in, let's do 60 minute. You can see it change. So the euro dollar's up 14 pips. The pound's up 21 pips from the last 60-minute signal. So if you day traders, it's great. Euro yen's up 22, 23. You do £10 a point on that, you're up £230. With the pound dollar, with the euro dollar, you're probably up about 800 pounds here. Euro sterling up 27. Look at that dollar Swissy losing 3, now 4 pips. Nothing, isn't it? Nothing. Pound New Zealand up 36 pips today on the 60-minute time frame. £10 a point in a spread betting account, you'll be up £360. And if you're doing contracts here and lot sizes, you know, you can just multiply that as well in your funded account to the P&L in here. Okay, so P&L, euro dollar up 13, multiply that by your unit size in the FX market. Euro yen up 24 pips, euro CAD losing 0.4 of a pip here, absolutely nothing at all. So some really nice movers here today, guys. Aussie yen's been good. Euro yen, I'm shorting euro yen already in our live trading room today. I'm up about 400, and it'll be up if it's that's 23 pips profit. I'm up £460 in that trade. Okay, so 23 points to the downside. It's very nice indeed. So let's have a little look for that 60-minute chart. Let's dive into some other time frames. So let's choose a 5-minute chart on the pro trading system. So I'm going to highlight all of those currency pairs. I could change them individually, but I'm just going to change the lot of them and go to 5 minutes. 5 minute. Okay, euro dollar. Last short signal on the 5 minutes, making 21 pips. Very nice for a 5-minute signal here. Yeah, so really good. So you can see him here, 21 pips on the euro dollar, which is good. Pound New Zealand, which is a nice move, up 34 pips on a 5-minute chart. Pound Australian dollar up 45 pips on a 5-minute chart. The losses are very small. Dollar yen on a short trend up 24 pips. Aussie yen 23. So some nice greens on the board, lots of P&L. Okay, but what about if you're not scalping on a 5-minute chart? What about longer term swing trading? Let's do the same thing. Let's just highlight those markets. I'm going to right click in here and I'm going to change it to a weekly chart. Great. If you are traveling or you don't have time to do or keep your eye on the markets all the time, you just go to these time frames. Euro dollar up 447 pips in this short trend. Pound US dollar 403, dollar yen 468 pips, euro yen down 7, Aussie dollar up 253. All the majors flying here. Pound yen losing money. Who cares if everything else is making money? You'd have been stopped out with the Pro Trend system by then. We don't keep it running at all. So some really nice moves indeed. You can see now the yens are starting to move into the short side of things. You'll see these start to go in profit soon, I would imagine. The New Zealand dollar's up 165, New Zealand yen's up 165, New Zealand dollar 308 pips profit. Very nice indeed. Big players are the yens and these majors. Look at that, euro dollar's been red and down for a long time, and it's up 450 points. Imagine if you were doing that with £10 a point. You know, you'd be up nicely about just over just below 4,500, 4,450 pounds profit, or dollars profit if you're doing it in a funded account. This on a weekly chart, by the way, guys. Could we changed it to the weekly, didn't we? All right, so there's quite a few variations, different time frames with the Pro Trend system. If you can identify what a green color is on the candlesticks on the chart, and you can identify what a red is, then you're going to do really well with our Pro Trend system software. And remember, we've had a brand new update recently with the tracks as well. All those green colors, those lovely light green for longs, light reds for shorts with the algorithm. Okay, thanks for watching the video, guys. I know you're a really busy person, but you can see by the trading results, the secret of trading is letting those profits run and getting big profitable trades. Cutting your losers and getting out of those quickly, knowing when to get out of those trades and letting those big profitable trades run when you get that green Pro Trend system and tracks telling you to stay into the trade. Now, what I've done is we put together a fantastic offer for you to join our program. Now, what we've done here is that if you join the program before Christmas, we're going to give you a $10,000 real live trading account. Okay, so you're gonna get $10,000 to trade with, but look, it's a real account, so all the profits you make you can withdraw every single month. Now, what I want to do is I want to teach you how to trade first, how to read the system, how to manage the risk and do it properly, because once you've learned that, then you can do this forever. And we want to take advantage, or you want to take advantage of this offer with the $10,000 real live trading account. Now, look, you don't need to take up the $10,000 if you don't want to, if you've got enough money in your trading account already. But look, if you want the coaching, if you want the software, and if you want the live trading account, then this offer is fantastic for you. Now, there is a button in the description or below this video. You need to click and book a call back with Chris, okay? Because he'll discuss with you the program. There's no hard selling at all at Trading College. He will talk you through it, and if we're a right fit for you and you're a right fit for us, then great. Let's get going. 2025 is going to be a great trading year for you. And with a 10 grand account already, it's going to be even perfect. And with the software and the live trading I'm going to be doing with you every single day besides Fridays, because that's reward day, guys, when we take the day off, then it's going to be a brilliant 2025 for you. Okay, so take action now. Click the link below this video or in the description. Get that call back and let's get trading for 2025. There's going to be some fantastic trading opportunities.